Hey guys, so I really wanted to do a home makeover video because my home needs a makeover. We have 4 adults and 2 small kids, a 3-year-old and an almost 1-year-old, and it is just so messy, disorganized, and cluttered. And part of it is we just have a lot of random stuff, and I'm the only one that seems to be interested in organization. So it's like if there's 6 people in the house, including the small kids, it's like 5 people against one. So most of the time, I'm always losing. I can't keep up with all the house duties, with working, with watching the kids, and then cleaning the house. Like, I don't have time and energy for that. So I decided to start off with our bedroom, which is our personal space. So at least I have control over that area. And this is going to be a very gradual home makeover because it's a home makeover on a budget because we don't have that extra income to really, get extra stuff. So we just have to save money, and when we have that little extra, we'll buy like a container that will help us organize, or like curtains, just something special. So yeah, so as you can see, it already looks messy. But I will show you a tour of my bedroom so you can see the before and then the after. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm starting off with the door. So this is a small space, and we have a little over the door rack. In India, you don't take off like the price tag and stuff, so I just left it on. It's like an Indian thing. I don't know, I just copied. So this is where my husband hangs his clothes. Laundry. This is my special llama bath mat, which needs to be cleaned. And this is my workspace, so I work from home. And just look at how disorganized and messy it is. I'm actually filming in between a class when I have time, but look at this. This is just gross. I use the printer as like a place to pile things on. This is my rechargeable fan because in India the electricity goes out a lot. Oh my goodness, like this. Oh, it's making me stressed out right now. So this is the table just right by the bed, so I just reach for things. I throw like my kids' things just really quickly. I like put things on. I haven't organized this space for maybe 3 weeks, so that's why it looks too crazy. And even my drawers look crazy. Like, check this out. If you don't want to see crazy, just close your eyes. Yep. Drawer 1, drawer 2. Okay, and I just have to write everything down to see it visually. So even this is crazy. Our window, and we don't have curtains. This is our bed. So pretty much the setup is I sleep on this bed, my toddler sleeps next to me, and then we bring in a crib in this small space at night, and my almost 1-year-old sleeps here. So I'm sandwiched between my kids. And then my husband sleeps on this bed, and the walls are bare. So this is my wardrobe. This is another storage space, but like it has this magnet thing, but it's broken. So we used tape because this kept falling off. And as you can see inside, it's crazy in there. So actually I made a video the other day. This space was just so crazy. I keep saying the word crazy because I have no other word to say to describe it, okay? And I cleaned it, but since my husband sleeps here, this is his space to put things. So it kind of got a little messy, but not too bad like before. And these are, okay, I want to open my drawers. It has some personal stuff. And this is my husband's wardrobe. And then we're back at the door. So we'll see how this space will be transformed by our homemade makeover.